Hello friends, in today's video I will tell you step by step how you can fix Snapchat media upload issues. If you haven't subscribed to my channel before starting the video, do so quickly. First of all, you have to open the settings of your mobile phone. After that, type Snapchat in the search bar. After that, you have to click on the icon of Snapchat. After that, you have to click on Storage and Cache. After clicking on it, click on Clear Cache at the right bottom. After that, you have to give necessary permissions to your Snapchat. If after doing all this your issue is not resolved, then you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Check internet connection, ensure your connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to identify the issue. Step 2. Update Snapchat, get the latest version from your app store. Updates often include bug fixes. Step 3. Clear cache, navigate to Settings, find Snapchat, and clear cache to eliminate temporary glitches. Step 4. Check storage, ensure sufficient storage space. Delete unnecessary files or apps. Step 5. Optimize media files, compress videos or use lower resolution images to facilitate uploads. Step 6. Reinstall Snapchat, uninstall and reinstall the app to resolve lingering issues. By following these steps, you should resolve your Snapchat media upload problems. If issues persist, contact Snapchat support. In this way, you can fix Snapchat media not uploading problem.